So we're discussing Snoop K. Pinky Anand has a question for me, but before that I have a question for the Congress party. With your permission, Pinky Anand, can I ask that question to Rita Bahuguna Joshi? Ms. Joshi, I believe that by your line of argument is that Amit Shah, was tapping the girls' phones illegally. Am I correct?
Yes, no, but on the instance of Sahib.
Okay, whatever, on the instance of Sahib.
Which also has been now cleared by the President that he was the Chief Minister.
Okay, and therefore... Yeah, so you also say that this tapping was done outside the borders of the state of Gujarat.
Sure.
And therefore it needed the approval, and therefore it needed the approval of the Union Home Secretary. I don't know why Jaina and Vyas is smiling. Therefore it needed the approval of the Union Home Secretary. Certainly.
May not be.
And can you tell me, Ms. Joshi, if who was doing the tapping, who all were party in this tapping? The tapping was done through somebody?
It was done at the behest of it must have been a Gujarat number.
No, 1 second. Through some telecom companies? Through some telecom companies or not?
I'm sure. I don't have too much of information.
No, 1 second. Then why don't you ask Kapil Sibal? Why don't you ask Kapil Sibal, who's a telecom minister, to take action against those telecom companies?
I think you are the best person to ask him.
No, but you know, why aren't you doing that? Are you being selective in your approach, Ms. Joshi?
No, we want an inquiry by a Supreme Court judge to...
No, but are you focused so much on Sahib that you're not looking... Are you focused so much on Amit Shah and Sahib that you're not looking at those who complied in this illegality? If the illegality happened, it must have happened through some telecom companies. You don't talk about that, which proves that you're only looking at it politically.
That has to be found out, and anybody who's guilty.
You're only looking at it politically.
Because you see, unless and until the entire entire case
you can't be
properly by an impartial agency, we can't come out with facts who did what. So because you see, the central government will act and they will investigate only when there is some way. No, Miss Joshi. Now let me complete. I have two more questions. You are from the state of Uttar Pradesh, right? Did you ask the centre to intervene in the case of Durga Shakti Nagpal when a young IAS officer was being persecuted terribly by the Samajwadi Party? Of course. We were always on her side. I was the one person. The Congress was the one person which was speaking from down to above.
Really? And what did Mr. Narayan Swamy say? Mr. Narayan Swamy said you cannot intervene to review the suspension unless she files an appeal with the Union Department of DOPT. They made all excuses.
Yes,
Did you? No, 1 second. Did you intervene or pull up the did you intervene in the case of Muzaffarnagar when people were being killed? In Muzaffarnagar, dozens of people were being butchered in Muzaffarnagar. Did you intervene?
Of course we did. No.
Did you or did you not?
I think we are going the wrong way.
No, we are going the right way, I think.
Are going the wrong way. One, listen, please. No, it's not. One.
No, you can't just be interested only in this thing.
The first thing is.
No, you want to.
I am representing.
You are
my
wading
party.
into dangerous territory, Ms. Joshi.
I am representing my party, and as a party, I feel that the government of Gujarat has to answer serious questions, which are in public domain. So I don't think anything dilutes on this.
I'm not sure.
As a party representative, I demand that there should be an inquiry.
I'm not sure.
An impartial agency, and anybody.
I'm only testing everyone's impartiality tonight.
Involved, and as far as law and order is concerned, it's a state subject.
Responses, Yati.
Mr. Shinde today evening said that it does not come under his jurisdiction to institute.
No. Responses.
Now the President of India has sent the request of NGOs to the government, and they may ask the Gujarat government to respond. They can't go into direct inquiry.
Responses. Pinky Anand, Jaina and Vyas, two sides of responses, and then we have mutual questions to each other. 5 minutes left, Pinky Anand.
And let the Supreme Court judge do it.
A couple of questions. This whole statement, as you rightly said, when this happened in other positions, was there any such demand made, for example, in UP, which all sorts of vague answers were given by Rita, but that aside for a moment.
No, the government was asked.
Rita explain to me as to why
central government asked the state government to respond.
That happened in this entire
bargain. This is what can happen.
The first action that has come in the public domain is that tapes have been revealed which were an entire transaction of snooping on the part of Mr. GL Singhal, who is an accused in a criminal trial, and the matter is under the CBI. Can that be explained as to how?
No, you take that as a fact. No, that's so self-contradictory.
Talking about it at all.
No. You are willing to accept that GL Singhal
supposedly
you contradict
by that. If the first act itself of Mr. GL Singhal in snooping or tracking or violating the Wireless Act
okay.
then nothing further really remains to go further.
It's like saying, it's like saying, one second. No, one second, Miss Pinky Anand, Miss Pinky Anand, it's like illegal mining.
Mr. Modi, according to Rita, has been
Miss Anand,
as some kind of accused who should come and answer this question in person to her.
Miss Anand,
the judge, I'm afraid we are answering questions.
He's a politician.
Miss Anand,
he's involved in development of the nation.
When he rebuts everything that is said in public speeches,
and a far more pragmatic approach to life.
Let him
I
come
think
out.
we need to leave it at that. We can't
I have no involvement.
The third situation,
no, Ms. Pinky,
will Rita be satisfied if he says no? I don't understand the entire process of this witch hunting process.
No, witch hunting. 1 second. Can I just say one thing? It's like, Miss Anand, like the Reddy brothers, what they have specialized in for a long time in the state of Karnataka, which many BJP senior leaders are acquainted with, which is the fine art of illegal mining. Now, just because they mine illegally, you don't ever say that what they have mined is not iron. They may have mined the iron illegally, but they have still mined iron. Your argument today on GL Singhal saying your argument on GL Singhal that how did he tap the phones? How did he tune into the conversations? The fact is he has tuned into the conversations. You just admit he has tuned into the conversations. So you admit he's illegally tuned into the conversations. And when I will quote to you, when I quote those conversations, you don't want to listen to them.
Being talked about by Rita starts this entire process from GL Singhal producing some tapes which have to be obtained by some kind of tapping, about which there is no query. The queries only goes further into tapes which are disputed.
Some tapes. GL Singhal tells Amit Shah there are 22 to 25 files of phone conversations, including that of the woman concerned, which is a clear indication.
Transaction happening by an accused. There is an entire transaction of snooping by Mr. GL Singhal as per his case, what he brings into public domain. We haven't brought that.
No. One sec. Last response to Mr. Faruqi.
You are talking about tapes, the authenticity of which has been disputed.
Mr. Faruqi, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes, Mr. Faruqi.
Failing which we are not satisfied.
Mr. Faruqi, 3 minutes. Mr. Faruqi.
Arnab bhai, are they denying the entire episode? Is the letter issued by the BJP headquarters is wrong? Was the letter of the father was wrong?
Yeah.
Is it not a fact that the lady has been...
But those letters have been produced and relied upon. There is no issue on that score. Let us not get into that domain.
Why? Why shouldn't we?
That's a main issue. That's a main issue. Now you are talking about all. It means this girl was followed. Are we doing the same thing with the other girls also in the state?
I think you'll have to stop getting into this again witch hunting process, if I might say so. The girl's father makes a statement saying, we ask for security. The girl's father makes a statement, please leave us alone. The girl's father says, please respect our right of privacy and do not get into this issue. The girl's father says the girl knows about whatever is happening. That should be the end of the matter somewhere.
No.
As far as the tapes are concerned, the authenticity is before the state commission. The Commission of Inquiries Act in terms says when a state commission is appointed, a central commission will not be appointed for the same matter. Now what do you want with that? I mean, how can we get out of this specific mandate, a negative mandate of the Commission of Inquiry which says there is a state commission, you can't set up a central commission, you can't set up any central inquiry either by the same logic.
No, you're warning. You're really warning them tonight, aren't you, Pinky Anand? You're being so aggressive, you're actually warning the other side not to set something up.
I am telling them, I am telling the law as it stands.
You are browbeating and you're trying to escape inquiry.
Well,
you know what happened to the Shah Commission.
If something is barred by law, Rita, Arnab, if something is barred by law, if you call that browbeating, if that information is being brought forward, then I don't know how one can address any argument either.
Well, on the News Hour tonight, we come to the end of debate number 2 on the Snoopgate twist. The BJP continues to argue that the girl and her father consented. I have only one question tonight, and my question is to Mr. Amit Shah. Mr. Amit Shah, you will not get a platform here on Times Now, but you will certainly be asked the relevant questions. As a believer in democracy, Mr. Amit Shah, you should come and take some questions on the News Hour tonight. All we want to ask you is it your voice or not? Now, Mr. Amit Shah, that'll take 10 seconds or even less for an answer. We'll send the cameras the moment you agree. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.